Huzur, my question is that to whom Huzur Aqdas was the most favorite one during his childhood?
My favorite what?
To whom you were the favorite one? Who used to love you most during your childhood?
I don't think anyone did. My mother could love me, but till she fell ill in her last deathbed, she promised me that she had not been able to love me, show her love, although she loved me. So she said, I'll do it after I recover. But that was not to happen. After her, my late sister Amatul Hakim, who has just died, she used to love us, all the children, immensely. And I'm really indebted to her.